Well, I heard someone dropped off something. Oh, look at that! It's here! Woohoo! There you go, guys. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me again for another episode of J&B Tuning. And today's episode, guys, as I mentioned in the previous episode, that our good trusty old pressure washer broke down. Finally, I didn't expect it to break down this early in the game, but as I had prepared this full system here, as I mentioned earlier on, it's interchangeable. So if one breaks, definitely I'll be able to replace it and still able to keep other parts that I actually work with here. So anyways, guys, without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the new pressure washer. Well, guys, here's the new pressure washer we're gonna be working with. It's the Karcher 1700 and it's 1.2 GPM. It's a little lower than the existing pressure washer I have, which a little lower from the GPM point of view, but it's more power on the PSI side of it. Based on the reviews online on this and some of the YouTube channels that has featured this nice pressure washer, it's basically performing from the sense of the published specs, or even better than the actual published specs. So 1.2 GPM is not so bad, guys, and otherwise, you know, it's a good savings from the point of view of water, and it is enough water to actually wash your car in the process. I'll be unboxing this and show you guys what I have in here. Already, it's the moment that you guys are waiting for. Got our manual here and the warranty card, it looks like. That's probably all our the hose and some of the assortments of parts. Here comes the beast. Wow, very nice, guys. Yeah, it's nice and compact, very light. It's not super heavy in a sense. The color is nice. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the color. I wish it's red to kind of match everything that I have here, or possibly, I can't say black because then it would be too dull in that sense, but yeah, definitely it looks nice. I could possibly either paint this thing and or possibly wrap it with the red matching my cabinets here. So anyways, that could be a possibility in the future. So yeah, no, it's really nice. We got a container in the back here, it looks like, for, you know, either the wand and the beauty is that at least I can put the cord, because I probably won't need all the cords out unless I'm using it out and about. The plan again, guys, is to put this as soon as I get my shelf for it. I'll be putting it on the wall, but for the time being, I'll probably put it on the bottom for now, or have it so I can move it around. It looks like it has everything you need. It looks like there's also a soap dispenser in here, which something that I probably will not use in the process because I have the full setup on the foam gun and all. So yeah, the beauty part is that we can still use all the fittings that I've basically purchased for the old pressure washer. And let me see if I can install it here. The best part here, I guess, is that it looks like I don't have to put the water inlet source of water on the back now. It's going to be on the side, so I might not even need this elbow anymore. So I'm going to probably remove the elbow out in the process. but I'll keep it just in case I need it during the time when I'm actually putting it on the wall mount version of it at some point. So for now, we can directly screw on this quick connect. And again, hand tight on this case because all these things has washers in them, rubber O-ring washers. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how easy it is. Use your old parts and technically just plug it in. Here it is, folks. It's pretty much all installed, much like the same setup as the old pressure washer. The water source has already been hooked up, and the outlet of the pressure washer here, basically that leads all the way to the rail here, is all hooked up now. So definitely we'll give this a try next. And as we go along here, definitely I will be cleaning up this whole setup as we go, including probably tucking in a proper piping in the process here, instead of running the garden hose here on the side there. It's nicely tucked in there on the side, but I want to make sure that it's going to be nice and clean. Well, folks, I just want to open up the rest of the package. I probably will not be using this much, but you know what, I'll open it up, and just an option if I decide to actually take it out of the mount and be able to wash like the sidings or the deck in the back and the whole 9 yards. Maybe I'll just keep it with me as an option anyways. Looks like we got a hose here. It's a M22 fitting. We have the gun and the wand. It has a quick connect as well in the process. The gun doesn't look too bad. It has a good feel to it. I'm sure it is usable. Yeah, no, that's the beauty part, is that I can definitely use some of my tips there for the quick connect tips. That's pretty much it. I didn't see any of the let me see the box quickly here. Did it come with our... Yeah, it should come with possibly a yellow and a black orifice there. So, well, guys, I actually found the rest of the components, and they are on the actual compartment behind the pressure washer there. So it did come with it's almost like a plastic. Well, it is a plastic. I'm not going to use this because I'm sure it's not going to lose. It's not going to last long there, and I'd rather use the quick connect for my water hose there. And it also comes with this tip. I'm not going to open the plastic, guys, for now, just in case I end up, try to sell this if I don't decide to keep in the process here. But it's nice to have. If I can actually reuse some of these components, I might try. Like this one here, I don't have this one per se on my setup there. I could probably keep it for the purpose of utilizing this. So that's pretty much it, guys. Well, again, I just want to thank you for your support. Some few milestones I want to share you guys. First of all, it's been about a year. It's actually a year, a couple days ago, where we moved into this beautiful home and this awesome garage. At the same time, guys, I also, one of the milestones that I want to share to you, I have finally received the first income from YouTube, which I'm really thankful for. And it did pay for at least this pressure washer portions or more than half of this pressure washer. And yeah, no, I'm so grateful for your support, and thank you for your subscription and your participation in this process. Again, if you truly like my channel and you truly like the videos that I'm sharing, you guys, please always put a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, because it does help me in a lot of ways. So, you know, with all this, it really gives me all the energy to be able to provide more video for you in best I can. And yeah, we'll continue on. We'll continue on with this episode. I'm not ending the video here yet because I want to show you guys how this pressure washer works in the process. So stay tuned. Folks, we're ready to try the Karcher pressure washer here. Just wanted to run by you a couple of things. What I truly like in this process is that I do have a built-in GFI switch, just in case there's a short. It does trip right here versus tripping my main panel in the process. So that's a plus. And at the same time, I did, you know, open the package up and grab this new Turbo Nozzle. And I might as well use it because I don't have this, so it's a great addition. I tried it on the gun here, and it fit really well. So yeah, I'll try that out as well in the process. I have lifted the Karcher because they instructed me in the from the manual point of view that you shouldn't be putting it on the floor in that manner, just for the purpose of safety. So I'm just lifting it up from the floor for now, and we'll definitely give this a try here shortly. So folks, we're gonna turn it on and see how it goes. So I'm gonna turn on the water first and bleed the system. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we'll just have to bleed the hose here first. Should be all good there, guys. Let's turn the power on. Wow, it's a lot quieter than the previous. Let's give the Turbo Nozzle here a try and see how well this baby works first. At least we got all our air pocket in there. Let's see how this goes. This Turbo Nozzle is pretty good. I could literally see how it's twirling to provide more pressure there. Yeah, let's get more hose here in process. try the other nozzles here. I have on the 15 here, and when I was using the Turbo Nozzle, it's not cleaning so much. There are still filth underneath the paint there, or on the paint that's been stuck, and I'm having a hard time removing it with the actual Turbo Nozzle. But with the 15 here, it's literally taking everything off. So I actually prefer the 15 better, or any of this, I guess, for that matter. I'll give this other ones to try later, but let me continue with this. Feels pretty good as well. Overall, guys, the 15 is technically my favorite. It does it pretty much does the job, and clean the surface pretty good there as a prep. So anyways, guys, we'll continue here. Well, folks, the Karcher 1700 cube here overall is a pretty good unit. It is definitely a step up to what I had before. Similarly, with the old one, it is the same level of noise technically, and overall the pressure is pretty strong. It's an evidence of how well the gun is. When you squeeze it, you could feel that it's a lot harder to squeeze, because the pressure, it maintains the pressure right on the unit here. So yeah, and overall I do like the fact that it does have a GFI system in place, and it's compact. GPM wise is pretty good. I don't see any problem there. It's fairly similar to the old unit. It's not as quiet as I thought. It's pretty much similar loudness that the old pressure washer does. And what else? In terms of the lag on the pressure washer here, the on and off pressure switch, it is there's a bit of a lag there. As you squeeze it, sometimes it doesn't go on right away, as in comparison to the old one. Well, folks, thank you again for your support, and as usual, I'll be as the weather gets better here, I'll be doing a lot more some car DIY videos, as I am focused on that. This segment that I'm doing for the garage is just a temporary thing, as I am waiting for a better weather and a chance to truly work on the cars, given that I don't have any heating system here yet. So stay tuned. I'll be doing a lot more cars, as I am focused to the DIY on some of my project cars. So anyways, guys, if you like all my videos, especially the DIY videos, please give it a thumbs up, and hey, don't forget to subscribe, and it goes a long ways. And again, I appreciate all your help. Thank you.